Hello friends, welcome to my famous creative channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have seen lot of videos on attendance system with training images and without training images. We have seen attendance system using training images and without using training images. We have seen in Streamlit also, we have seen in Tricky-Internet library also. A lot of students told me that do attendance system using training images. So my previous video, latest video was about training images with attendance system. Also creating data set in training images with face recognition. So you see a lot of videos on face recognition and attendance system using training images and without training images with Streamlit and Tricky-Internet library. Today's video is really creative and informative. It is all about attendance system with training images, that is machine learning. So we'll go through the execution of the program. Here menu driven program is there. First part is check camera, then capture, second part is capture face, give the name to the image, then third part is creating training images, fourth part is recognizing, which is very important, and then is auto mail and quit. Now first of all I will take the capture image, fine, done. Capture the image. Now I will go to third part, training all images are trained. Then I will go to fourth part. Yes, I am recognized. Yes, done. Now I will go to fifth part. Yes, fine, done. I will go to. So I successfully done with attendance system with training images and attendance system. So that is the right way of doing machine learning program with attendance system. Now I will show the attendance and training images. I had struggled a lot for this video. I wasted my 1.5 day for this video, and I had done this video previously but it was with errors, but now I done it without errors. I will show you. Here training images are there. Few training images are there because the image is captured successfully. Now I will show you the attendance. I can here. Yes, no. I think here the attendance. No, only attendance file has been created. I can show you attendance. Here. Yes, here Sanjay. You can see here my attendance is yes, fine. So I successfully done with. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python. Then I am shifting to data science after a few days. More creative videos on data science and this thing. I have done a lot of videos on CV2 library. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com, machine learning videos. Thanks for watching.